AI is one area where I think the startup ecosystem has actually tried to meet those expectations. But what would be required is complementary investments by government. It cannot happen only by depending and leaving it only to the private sector or only leaving it to the startups, because a lot of money goes into this and a lot of patient capital is required. So the previous cycle in which the startups mushroomed were heavily dependent on venture capital and foreign capital inflows. The domestic capital was not supporting them. And now that needs to change. So there needs to be a lot of domestic patient capital, given the fact that innovations are happening. For instance, I was in discussion with Art Park, ISC Bangalore based startup, which is looking at creating Indic language SLMs, that is the small language models, using or creating also open data sets, that is, data sets which are, because data is, just think data as the new oil. Means I hate to use that analogy, but data is the oil for AI. As data was important in the Web 3.0 genre of technology development, here too data is required. But it is very important that the data is contextual, the data is indigenous, the data is to solve Indian problems. So there again, governments attempt through Bhashini, that is an open data set which allows these developers, these application layer startups to dive in and be able to create solutions for local problems, is going to be extremely important. So it cannot be just it's left to the private sector.